All right, now like most outdoor activities, we sometimes forget to do a little bit of stretching. So not only am I an expert stilt jumper, I'm an expert stretcher as well, all right? So there's a couple of basic stretches that you're gonna wanna do, okay? The most important one is this one, the toe touch, all right? This is gonna stretch out the lower back and the back of your legs right here because you're gonna get a lot of strain on every part of your body, a lot of compression on your back, okay? So the next thing is, since we're working out our back, you're gonna wanna stretch your arms, okay? Now this is a really good stretch to stretch the back of your arms right here and the triceps, all right? Do both of these for about, I don't know, 10 to 20 seconds, all right? Another good stretch is grab your hands behind your back like this and really pull that, okay? You're gonna wanna do this for at least 30 seconds to a minute. Just really get a good stretch because there's gonna be a lot of compression once you get up on those stilts and you get jumping, all right? All right, the next thing is lunges. It's always good to do lunges just like this, all right? Any stretch you can think of is not gonna hurt. So that's a good idea for when you start jumping on stilts.